In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update your Samsung Galaxy phone software to the latest version. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first we need to head over to Settings. To do that, we need just to tap at Settings app icon on our home screens. However, if you cannot find it on your home screen, then just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up these quick options here. And then just stop at dead to head over to Settings. Now, guys, we need to scroll down to the very bottom. And somewhere here near the bottom, you should find these About Form item. And we just to tap on it to get into that page. After that here, we are looking for the option that is called something like Software Update. Now I'm gonna enter it. And now here we have this Download and Install option. Now we can enter it and it will automatically check for the latest of days. And if there are any updates, you will see it here and you can install them from here as well by typing at Install button. We do not see it right now because we do not have any upcoming updates here. However, if there are some, you will find the button here. Basically, guys, save this video, for you don't forget to hit the like button.